Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how you can download an older version of macOS and install it on your MacBook. So the first step is to open Launchpad and search for Safari. So this is the recommended step. You only have to use Safari and you cannot use a Chrome browser or any other browsers like Opera. So let's say I want to download macOS Big Sur. So currently I'm using macOS Ventura, as you can see this 13.4. So if I want to download macOS Big Sur, so all you have to do is open Safari and search for macOS Big Sur. So once you have searched, all you have to do is click on this first link. So as soon as you click on the first link, you will see that your Apple Store has automatically popped up, and it will automatically search for macOS Big Sur. All you have to do is click on Get. So once clicked, you will see this pop-up where you can download the latest version of macOS Big Sur. So simply click on download button. So this process will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So once this download is complete, I will come back to the video. So once the download is complete, you might see an installation pop up. So you can simply close it. Now to verify that the file has been downloaded properly, go to your finders, go to application, and you can see that there is an application named install macOS Big Sur. So if this is present, so everything is perfect till now. So the next step is to insert your pen drive. The next step is to click Launchpad and search for terminal. So once the terminal is open, simply copy this code. I will share this article link in the video description below, so you can search for codes for Big Sur, Catalina, Moave, High Sierra, El Capitan, or any other old operating system. So once the code is copied, simply paste it in the terminal. So one thing to note, that this /TechRichard should correspond to the name of your pen drive. So since the name of my pen drive is TechRichard, so this will be TechRichard, and simply press enter. So type in your password and simply type Y and press enter. So now you can see that the pen drive is being erased and the installation of bootable pen drive is in process. So the files are now being copied to the disk. So you can wait for this process and we will come back to the video. So as you can see that we have successfully created the bootable installation media. So the next step is to simply restart your PC. So if you are using an Intel processor, you will have to restart your PC and press and hold the options button. So if you are using an M1 Mac, then you will have to press and hold the power button. So once this all is complete, simply click restart. So simply press and hold the options key. So now you can see that there are two bootable devices, and this one is your hard disk and this one is the bootable installation media. So you can simply click here and proceed with the clean installation of the older version of macOS. So if you are having trouble finding the old version of macOS, I will place all the required links in the video description below. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the updates. Thank you.